Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Here working on the SC300. On these cars, if you lower them, that wiring harness is right up underneath the front driver wheel well, the wiring harness. And if you lower it, it's gonna rub in there, and so it starts rubbing on some wire. So let's take a look at that. I just jacked the car up, popped the hood. I'm in here, and yeah, immediately I look up, and there is the wiring issue right there. Very clear as day. Let's see what kind of tools we got here. Some stuff for the wiring project. We got some wiring sleeves. Can heat up and shrink wrap the wires. We got some heat source, butane there to heat up the wiring. Little extra butane. We got some fuses because it's been blowing fuses. All right, let's dive into it. All right, so we've got the little wiring cover cut and then put over the first wire. Let's see how that does with the torch here. All right, we're figuring it out. Ethan and I. Yep. Figuring out the pinch method. So all we got to do is put that rubber piece over the wire, and then what we've been doing is
blow torching it.
We got like a piece of cardboard behind, right?
And then we just blow torch it.
We blow torched it.
And we pinch it like a lot, and if you hold a pinch, it will work.
So you hold the pinch. So you put a little bit of heat on it, and then you pinch hard. So when you cut these, they don't want to go together very well. But these little things that you get to put on wires, we're cutting them to slip them around the existing wire so we don't have to cut it off. But that's causing a little bit of an issue, so we figured it out that you heat it up, and then as soon as you heat it up, you pinch and hold and twist, and put some thick gloves on so that you can pinch hard and not get burnt.
3 layers.
3 layers. There you go. It's the perfect amount. All right, let's continue on. Update on the patch job on the wiring harness here. We're making good progress. We've only got 2 more wires to go. We've been using these to do the patchwork here. Heat shrink tubing. Obviously, these work better when you have the wire cut and then you slide these through the wire and then shrink wrap it, but I'm having to cut these and put them over there, so it's not looking too perfect, but it's getting the job done. It's covering every wire up. I only had to actually repair 2 wires. The rest I'm just patching up with this covering. So we're down to these last 2 right here. Almost done. We're putting the last few screws here on the trimming, getting that all set, put back on the car, and we'll get the tire put back on, and this electrical job will, at least phase 1 of it, will be complete. We can go test drive it. Hey, what's up guys? Here in the SC300, we got a lot of things repaired. We got the wiring done, we got the horn working, we got the blinkers working,